London Zoo is a fantastic destination for animal lovers and families alike. Nestled in the heart of Regent's Park, it offers a wonderful variety of wildlife, from majestic big cats to playful penguins. The enclosures are well maintained, ensuring a safe and enriching environment for the animals. Interactive experiences, like the walk-through exhibits and keeper talks, add an educational layer to the visit. It's easy to spend a full day exploring the zoo's beautiful grounds and learning about conservation efforts. Overall, London Zoo is a delightful place for a fun and informative day out. Transportation is convenient. I took bus number 274 from Baker Street Station to London Zoo in about 20 minutes. It is simple and convenient to buy tickets outside the door. You can get close contact with many kinds of animals. We stayed from 10:30 until the park closing time at 4 o'clock. We were very satisfied. The food at Happy Restaurant is very good, including fish and chip and other hot food and coffee and cake. It is worth visiting. Good experience, clean shops, good quality food for everyone, gift shop is everywhere. My kid was very happy. Easy to redeem tickets, many exotic animals found in the zoo. The most impressive section was the butterfly house. Had a fantastic time in ZSL Zoological Society of London. We watched many wildlife animals and amazing nature in zoo. Instant purchase and instant use are very convenient. The park is very big and you can spend a whole day wandering around. There are many kinds of animals and most of them are very close and within reach, but don't be afraid. It is full of surprises and all kinds of humorous warning signs. It is really worth the money. It is highly recommended that if you have the opportunity, you can always visit the super large pelicans, so many penguins, super close giraffes, and all kinds of strange species. It is very fun to play. Fine, so excited, more convenient than others. Fine, so excited, more convenient than others. Fine, so excited, more convenient than others. I visit the zoo on weekdays. There are many different animals to watch. Please allow about 3 hours for the visit. The zoo can be walked to Camden Market, about 20 minutes walk. There are not many people visiting the zoo on weekdays. There are animal performances arranged in the zoo, so please pay attention to the time. The facilities of this zoo are very complete. In addition to fences and appropriate isolation facilities to allow humans and animals to interact at close range, there are also some interesting warning signs. The staff are very kind and there are many restrooms, restaurants and snack bars in the park, as well as benches for tourists to rest. Love London Zoo so much. I have been to many zoos around the world, and this one ranks first with the Malaysian Zoo. I love it. Although the London Zoo is not big, it has all the animals that should be there. There are also cute penguins, penguin emoji, I like them very much. The park is very clean, there is no smell of animals, and there is a place where you can feed animals up close, making it suitable for parents and children to play together. When I showed the voucher, a kind man scanned the barcode while explaining everything to me, and I was able to enter immediately. The zoo was spacious and had a wide variety of animals, from big to small. I think it would be better to buy lunch outside. You are free to bring your own. Good location cause it's next to Regent Park, so after your visit to London Zoo, you can also go to Regent Park to relax as well. It's convenient, quick and easy to use, and the price is cheap. The zoo facilities are very well done. The staff introduces the animals and is very professional. I will go there again if I have the opportunity. QR 4. Close contact with animals is a very important feature. The overall exhibition planning is very careful and worthy of the ticket price they charge.